Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Smartwatch. Make and receive calls. Synchronize mobile phone call records. Phone book. Can make and receive calls. Built-in speaker and microphone. Work, meeting, driving and not miss important calls. Bluetooth headset to listen to songs. The body comes with 4G memory. Can store 1,000 plus songs. Can play music directly or connect to a Bluetooth headset to play. Inch tablet. Each bright screen is a new experience with a 10.0-inch HD screen, allowing you to experience a wider field of vision. In games and videos, the content is displayed more, and the phone is still small and light. 6 GB of large memory and 128 GB of storage space ensure the smooth loading of common game processes on the screen. Portable power bank, LED digital display power bank. Charging and discharging power can be as high as 18 watts, 3 amperes charging and discharging, saving time. Smartphone vlogging kit. Vlog shooting kit include fill light, microphone, tripod and phone holder. Recording microphone, plug and play, strong compatibility. Universal 3.5mm microphone plug, suitable for mobile phone, cameras, etc. Mini LED video light, with 49 PCS bright LED beads, 3 cold shoe seats on the side. Vertical laptop stand. Cradle up one laptop and phone or iPad vertically at the same time. The laptop holder is great for space saving and building up a neat and organized space for the desk. Smart electric pot. Precise flow control for even extraction of coffee. A perfectly controlled 90-degree vertical flow. Give you confidence when you use it. Strix temperature controller is used to accurately stop heating when the water reaches the target temperature. When heating without water, alarm and stop automatically. Smart trash bin. IPX5 waterproof design can wash the whole piece without fear of water. 15-degree angle induction, double the sensing area, and know what you need. Quiet opening and closing. Enjoy life quietly. Mini Wi-Fi camera. Support Wi-Fi app remote view. Support connecting camera Wi-Fi hotspot for real-time viewing. The camera can be connected to the router for remote real-time viewing. 160-degree wide-angle monitor. Protect your home area. Security. Support multiple user. You could share it with your family. You could hear and see your baby and pets in the app. This is a great mini nanny camera. Portable coffee machine. Through patented electric technology, T-Color's coffee machine can provide a constant pressure of 18 bar, which can extract Italian coffee with rich fat, strong aroma, and bright color. The time of 25 to 30s ensures the uniform extraction, so that each coffee powder can be fully penetrated. 2600 mAh large capacity lithium battery, recyclable charging service, life up to 1000 times. Orange peeler. Stainless steel orange peeler. Food grade material. Long lasting. No rust. Peeling orange quickly. Sharp edge. The four-sided blade is designed to peel faster than the hand and more complete than the knife. Portable LED work light. The LED light comes with adjustable 360 rotation handle, and you can use it for working, outdoor sports, emergency lighting, etc. There is a magnet at the bottom of both brackets, which can be adsorbed to any iron products without falling. Foldable handle design, with a 360-degree rotation lamp handle. You can put it in anywhere. Plastic bag ring. Using artificial anti-skid design, the recessed position is non-slip and easier to hold, preventing the dish lifter from easily falling out of the palm of the hand. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.